Oh God, it's put the freaking flash on for me when I don't want it. Oh, believe. Oh, right, that's better. Okay, an update. Right, so I've got the new computer built. Obviously, I'm waiting for my memory. I have to order that next week. But I thought, well, I can do updates because it needs updating. Because this copy is actually months old, so Linux needs a whole bunch of updates. And there's my display, which is where I connected all the. Sorry, it's on its side right now, in case you haven't noticed. The reason for that is I had a rattling noise, and I thought, what the hell? Yeah, it was the power supply fan. When I put it in, I squeezed it too much maybe, and the little fins, the little bars that go around in front of the fan got bent, and they were catching on the fan, so I had to bend them back out again. Ah, bloody annoying. I thought, what the hell's going on here? Anyway, so this module that's in here, it's currently on CPU, so it's reading 36C. Press the button. It reads hard drive, which is 23. System 29. That's I think the system one's on the graphics card actually. But it's got an alarm on it, so if one of the fans stops, if any of the fans stop, or it overheats, it triggers an alarm. I leave it on CPU. I like the CPU monitoring best because that's the most important part, isn't it, really? And I'm not going to fart about saying that stupid clock, because every time I set it up and I switch it off, the clock's reset back to 2008. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, there's a capacitor or something in it, battery in it actually, and it keeps running out. The battery keeps going flat. So that's the only thing I don't like about that module. I like the other module, which is on my other computer, because that one doesn't use a battery and it remembers everything. I'm trying to get another one like it actually, because this one is stupid. I'll see if I can get another one at some point. So updates are doing well, lot. Updating all our software. The only gripe I've got with the update program is if you don't want to update one program on it, like for example, I don't want to update Firestorm, right? I don't want to update my Second Life viewer because every time I update to the new one, it's crap, it's horrible. So you can't skip it. You can't select a box to say, or unselect a box so it won't update that. You've got to basically manually update everything one by one, just to skip one item. Come on, you guys who do Linux, come on, fix this updater so that we can select which ones to update. Oh, I don't know. We're supposed to be in the year 2025. It's supposed to be in the year of intellect and artificial intelligence, and oh, there's no wonder we're being replaced. They need AI because everyone else has got stupid. Come on, guys, prove it. Prove that you're still smart. Right, bye for now. Just a joke, you know.